Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see the recipe of crispy fried onion rings. Not just one but 3 ways. Before starting the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Let's start with crispy onion rings. The ingredients are 3 onions, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1/4 cup corn flour, half cup of breadcrumbs, half cup of maida, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 cup of soda, salt and black pepper powder as required. First, we are going to cut roundels out of the onion. It's better if you take bigger onions because the ring you will get will be big, but it's okay if you have smaller onions, those will work as well. Separate the slices. By doing this, you will get separate rings. Now for the batter, add maida, corn flour, salt, black pepper powder, chili flakes, red chili powder, cumin powder and chaat masala. Mix it. Then add ginger garlic paste. Mix it again. And then add club soda or sparkling water or whatever you call it. So gently add it and prepare a smooth lump-free batter. This is the key ingredient which will make our rings super crunchy. So dip the onion rings into the batter. You can use a fork to do that. And now using another fork, coat and cover the ring completely with the breadcrumbs. Similarly, repeat this process for all the rings. Now fry these rings until they are nice and golden brown. These onion rings are now ready and each and every ring is very crispy from the outside and moist from the inside. Let's start with cheesy onion rings. The ingredients are onion rings, mozzarella cheese and the flour batter we made. First, let's cut the cheese into thin strips. Now place the smaller ring in center of a larger one. Fill in all the gaps with the cheese strips. Then refrigerate them for about 10 minutes. Then again dip it into the batter and then coat it with breadcrumbs. And again refrigerate the rings until the oil is heating. Fry them until golden brown. Our delicious crunchy cheesy onion rings are ready. Let's start making the stuffed onion rings. The ingredients are onion rings, 1 teaspoon amchur powder, salt and black pepper powder as required, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 cup boiled potato, half cup breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1/4 cup cheese, flour batter, 1/4 cup corn flakes, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves and 1 tablespoon corn flour. For the stuffing, add potatoes, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, amchur powder, black pepper powder, salt. Then mix it once. Then add corn flour and coriander leaves. Mix it all together. And finally, add the cheese. Apply some oil on your palms and make round tikkis of the stuffing. Then stuff the center of the rings. Press it and spread it evenly. Don't leave any gaps. Then repeat the same for rest of the onion rings. Crush the corn flakes and add it to the breadcrumbs. Mix it. And then add some black pepper powder. Then dip the stuffed rings into the batter. And then coat it completely with the cornflakes and breadcrumbs mixture. Refrigerate them for about 10 minutes. Then fry it till golden brown. You can also bake it for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. There you go, these crispy stuffed onion rings are ready to be served with any sauce of your choice. Enjoy this delicious onion rings platter. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.